Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have the parts. Start by confirming voltages and ratings. Once done, isolate power and connect the supply positive to the LED strip plus and to the sensor V plus. Make sure to tie sensor ground and LED strip ground together so they share a common reference. Next, mount the MOSFET near the strip. Connect MOSFET source to ground, drain to the LED strip negative. These first steps set the electrical foundation for safe switching. Do not power yet. Once grounds are common, connect the motion sensor output to the MOSFET gate through a 100-220 ohms resistor to limit surge. Make sure you also add a 100K ohms pull-down from gate to ground so the MOSFET stays off when the sensor is idle. If using a relay module, wire the sensor output to the relay input and the relay contacts in series with the LED plus. Now power briefly and trigger the sensor. Observe LED response. Finish by securing wires, insulating solder joints, and mounting the sensor at the intended angle. Position it 6-10 ft away for typical coverage. Make sure the MOSFET has a heatsink if your strip draws significant current, and put an inline fuse on the positive feed. If the strip doesn't behave, check one key thing first. Verify you have a common ground and that the sensor output type matches your switch device open collector needs pull-up versus relay that provides isolation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.